Today we are going to be making Korean spinach side dish. You need 8 ounces of spinach, 1.5 teaspoons of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of sesame seeds, 1.5 teaspoons of sesame oil, and finally 1 minced clove of garlic. You can mince it by using a garlic mincer, but I usually like to do this by hand. To start off, boil 10 cups of water on high heat in a large pot. Once the water comes to a rolling boil, you can go ahead and add the spinach. You can add all 8 ounces at once, but I prefer to do it handful by handful. If you do this method, you're going to want to do it kind of quickly, since altogether the spinach will only boil for a total of 40 seconds. So once you've got it all in there, push it down with a spoon to make sure that every edge is under the water. It should turn a bit of a brighter green, and after the 40 seconds is up, you are going to drain it. What we're doing here is called blanching. It is just another cooking technique, such as steaming or frying. After straining away the boiling water, you want to directly put the spinach into the bowl of ice water to stop it from cooking. Make sure you mix the spinach thoroughly so that it gets all cooled off. Then you are going to want to strain it one more time and kind of shake off the excess water. Next, gently squeeze out the excess water. It's important to do this rather gently. You don't want to squish the spinach all together and make it mushy. Just squeeze it out to make sure there's not too much water in it. If too much excess water remains, then your dish might be watery as well. Next, get a cutting board out, and you are going to want to cut the spinach into about 1-inch sections. After cutting up the spinach, place it in a bowl and combine all the other ingredients. You can do this in any order, but first I added the soy sauce, then the sesame oil, the minced garlic, and lastly, the sesame seeds. After all the ingredients are combined, my favorite part, mixing it all together. Keep mixing it around until all the ingredients are thoroughly distributed. Be careful not to smush the spinach. You don't want it to get squishy. After everything is mixed through, you are all done, and your Korean spinach side dish is ready to eat. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.